Hey my people, this is Intact and welcome to the Footwork Tips and Variations episode 4. Today we're gonna speak about cyclical movement footwork, which is called originally 6-step, but we're gonna add additional hook after each step to make it more interesting and detailed. Plus I will show you how to make the projection of this new variation to our back rock level. Take a look onto this variation slowly, step by step. I'm starting to the right side from 0 position. 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. To the left side. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's go directly to the back rock variation. 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let me show you this variation from other side so you can see how legs are working. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Here is my tip for you. Focus on the sharpness of each hook. That's extremely important for this combination. Once you're gonna achieve this, it will look perfect. Enjoy it.